everybody. It's Jared here. I'm going to hand it over to Jay, but I just wanted to tell everyone to subscribe to PA Elevators because your life will change forever. Okay, now here's Jay. We're going to go ride a KONE. There you go.
Let's go!
Oh, you got it? Okay. Oh, do you need to push you or you push yourself or what? Okay, I got you.
We're gonna follow them. We're gonna throw a KONE. Hi.
Look, we modded the elevator with CJ Anderson, so if you just press that, just press the call button, there you go. Oh, I don't think we hit it hard enough. There we go.
Hi.
We modded the elevator.
A very fancy piece of
Oh no, it's a
place.
slap on body.
Oh no, they slept on KONE buttons.
3 is call locked. How dare you?
Who's gonna 2?
Oh, wow, this is this certifies that I have this day 04/11/2023 inspected the underlined
Elevator. Giordano's restaurant. Passenger. And found this elevator and machinery in safe operating conditions.
We'll go to the bathroom.
Passenger elevator. Electric gearless. Automatic. 2,500 pounds. 3 floor, open parenthesis, S, close parentheses, comma, 150 FT/min. And that this elevator complies with the following requirements and ordinance. All that crap, well, we gotta go back up again so I can read it all anytime. Hold on, I gotta. Section 14C-1-010.3.1. Every conveyance device now in operation, or which may hereafter be installed, together with the hoistway and all equipment thereof, shall be inspected under the authority or pursuant to the mandate of the authority having jurisdiction, as often as the authority having jurisdiction deems necessary, and in no case shall any new conveyance device be placed in operation until initial acceptance and inspection of such devices is made. Oh, are you going down?
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. This is
Section 14-C-1-1.04. That's too much, man. Boca Group Central. Because you put the pizza in your boca. That's why it's called that.
Oh, there you guys are.
Hi. There's a case in there.
Enunciating.
I unmodded the elevator, so you can have that.
Sharon, here you go. Hold this.
Thank you.
I guess that is going to be it for me.
Bye.